Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on and off your screen mirroring on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. You can swipe down from the top right of your screen like this, and these options will appear. And as you guys can see right above focus, you can see the two mirrors. That's basically your screen mirroring option. If you hold on it, it's going to show you all the devices which are currently connected in your screen mirroring. But since I'm not connected to anything, it's not showing me anything over here. But let's say you want to turn off your screen mirroring so you don't automatically connect to anything. So what you can do is for that is go inside your iPhone setting. And once you're inside your iPhone setting, you want to go on general. Now, once you're inside general, you can see this option called AirPlay and Handoff. You can click on this option, AirPlay and Handoff. And at the top where it says automatically AirPlay to TVs, click on it. Now, basically what automatically AirPlay to TV means that automatically screen mirror to TV. So if you're previously connected to anything, the moment your phone is on, it's going to automatically screen connect. So what you want to do is click on never. Now, once you click on never, what you have done is you have turned off your screen mirroring from your iPhone. Now, you cannot screen mirror from your iPhone again until you turn it to ask or automatic, because never means it's turned off, alright? So that's basically how you guys can turn off your screen mirroring on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.